Hey guys, how's it going? Solo back with another daily stock market video, and we're going to continue on with the crypto craze right now. Taking a look at Marathon Digital, another big day today. My puts are looking really good right now. Looks like we are creeping back up. We're still in that trading range that we talked about in prior videos. We'll take a look at that in a second. Like we always do a quick recap of the market overall, looking at the different sectors. Take a look at Marathon Digital, look at Bitcoin, Ethereum. We'll look at a news article that's actually predicting a little bit of a bullish move on Bitcoin soon, if you believe that technical analysis. We'll end the video with my charting, which is just my opinion, of course, and also the option flow data to see what the big money investors were doing with crypto stocks today. So getting right into it, looking at the heat map here on FinViz, overall green day on the board. Big tech had another good day today. Apple, Microsoft, Google, Facebook, Amazon, Tesla, all in the green. Semis had a good day today. All the semi stocks except for Qorvo in the green as well. Telecom not looking so good. Big losers of the day, AT&T and Verizon. But overall, green day in the market with one more trading day left in the week. Let's take a look at Marathon Digital here. Look at this. Green day all throughout the day for Marathon Digital. In fact, in the morning, we were already up 5.2% just about at the opening bell. We just skyrocketed to over 12% within the first hour of trading. Cooled off a little bit towards the afternoon, rallied back a little bit, but nonetheless, we closed the day up over 7.7%. After hours, we are kind of a little bit selling off, down almost 0.5%. But on the week now, you are in the green after this green day today, up over 1.6% on the week. On the month, you still green, up over 45%. Past 3 months, you're almost doubled your money, almost at plus 100%. And of course, with these big moves day in and day out, the option chain remains juicy. So with just one more trading day left on April 9th, you wanted to sell some one day to expiration puts, you're still going to collect a decent amount of premium. Take a look at this. At the money, you would get $114 in premium for putting up $49.50 or $4,950 in capital. So for a one day to expiration option, you are still getting 2.3% at the money. That is very good. There's some stocks and ETFs out there that won't give you 2.3% in a whole week of trading. So if you wanted to go out until next week, April 16th, you get even more juice, obviously, for a higher time period. You would get, for the same at the money strike, $358 of premium for putting up the same $49.50 in capital in order to sell a cash secured put. And take a look at this, a very juicy 7.2%. Maybe if we have a red day, a little bit of a pullback on Mara tomorrow, maybe I'll open up some more puts right now. The puts I have are actually expiring tomorrow. They're all the way down here at the $25 strike price. I sold them for $3 each. I sold 5 of them yesterday. They're already down and worth $1 each. So I'm already up a few bucks. Have about $5 left to make, hopefully by tomorrow. Again, some quick money in 2 days. Why not? Basically free money at this point. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin also had a good day today, which might have been part of the reason why Marathon Digital was green. Bitcoin, as I'm making this video, up 2.5%. However, on the week though, unlike Marathon Digital, Bitcoin is still red on the week, down just a little over 1.8%. On the month though, you're still in the green by 12%. Looking at Ethereum, Ethereum trades very closely to Bitcoin. Look at the shape of the graph or the chart today is very similar to how Bitcoin traded. You're up even more though on Ethereum, about 3.5% while I'm making this video. And unlike Bitcoin, you are still up on the week over 5%. So I gotta say right now, not financial advice, but if you're looking to get in on the crypto coin game, Ethereum is looking a little bit more enticing to me personally than Bitcoin. One, because it's way cheaper per coin, but also the swings seem to be bigger right now for Ethereum. And like I said, overall on the week, it's having a better week than Bitcoin is having. So something to keep in mind, something to check out. There's other coins out there. I know a bunch of the people in the Discord server are going crypto crazy right now. So if you want to hop in there and chat with them, go ahead. The link is in the video description. Let's take a look at this news article that I was talking about. So this one is at a CoinDesk. This is where I get all my crypto news from. I really like their articles, really quick and to the point. This one is titled, "This Indicator Suggests Bitcoin is Overdue for a Big Price Move." So what they're doing is they're looking at the Bollinger Bands. And they're saying that suggests that Bitcoin could chart a big move. Now, it doesn't have to be a big move up. It could be a big move down, though. So that's the little caveat there. And it says, for the better part of the last 3 weeks, Bitcoin has been between 50 and 60K in that trading range. And it's been consolidating lately. And it's actually worsening, the consolidation has, with Bitcoin bulls unwilling to lead the price action above 60K and bears struggling to force a break below 55K. So they're saying that the price volatility gauge has declined to a 4-month low of 0.15, and Bitcoin witnessed its biggest moves during the 2017 bull run each time the bandwidth fell to this 0.15 level. So if history is going to repeat itself, sounds like Bitcoin may be gearing up for another big move. But again, doesn't have to be a big move up. It could be a big move down. And the way you calculate this, the indicator, you divide the spread between the Bollinger Bands by the 20-day average of the cryptocurrency price. The Bollinger Bands are volatility lines placed 2 standard deviations above and below the 20-day average of price. Now, if you're on any sort of platform like TradingView, you can have the Bollinger Bands automatically put on the chart for you, so you don't have to worry about calculating that. And you can just take a look to see where Bitcoin is trading right now in terms of the Bollinger Band range. And it says right now that Bitcoin's ongoing range play looks quite similar to the early December consolidation below 20,000, which ended with a breakout following the Bollinger Bandwidth falling to 0.15 again. And it says that the seasonality for April is usually bullish. Some analysts say the market looks overstretched. There's a quote here that says, everyone who's been in crypto for a while can recognize that things have been getting absolutely ridiculous on every level. So we'll have to wait and see. Are we going to go to 70K or are we going to drop down to 40K? It seems like both are possible right now, but it seems like Bitcoin has just been kind of refueling for a big move, whether to the upside or to the downside. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are. Let's end the video looking at the option flow data and also the TradingView chart. So again, had 2 red days on Marathon Digital the past 2 days. Was a great opportunity for me to sell some puts, which I did. And then we had a little bit of a rebound day today, a green day, but we are still trading in this upward trending parallel channel that we've been in since November. So I'm really happy with that right now. We're still above the 21 and the 50-day moving averages. Again, pretty average volume today compared to the past week or so of trading. In fact, this week's volume has been higher than probably the past 2 or 3 weeks. So that's another good sign that there's more action right now on Marathon Digital. So I think tomorrow to close out the week, really it's going to depend on what the market is doing. We could go either way because we're still in this parallel channel. I do think that a strong area of support, again, this is just my opinion, is going to be around $43. It's where I have this area of trend that I've identified, and also the 21-day moving average is right around that level as well. Now, the other thing is the bottom of my parallel channel is also going to intersect, looks like this area of trend around 37.38, and also the 50-day moving average looks like it's creeping up there as well. So that might be a second strong area of support if Bitcoin or if Marathon Digital do sell off a little bit. We'll have to wait and see what happens. Let's end the video looking at the option flow data to see what the big money investors did with Marathon Digital today. So here's Sweepcast, one of the programs that I've been using to get my option flow data. So overall, not a lot of action, 8 calls, 9 puts that came in, but the overall sentiment is bearish right now on Marathon Digital. Not a lot of volume, actually, not a lot of premium. The highest option flow in terms of dollar amount was this one for $194,000. And actually the top 2 both expire tomorrow, April 9th, for a combined roughly $300,000. One was for a 40 strike call. The other one was for a 47 strike call. So both of these are in the money calls. So they're still bullish, but not as bullish as if they were out of the money. But then the top 4 looks like options, or the option flows are calls. But then there's a lot of puts after that. Some of these are in the money puts. So maybe some hedging, who knows? But I don't think we can make too much of the option flow data today on Marathon Digital because there just wasn't a lot of action today. As always, make sure you join the Discord server if you're not in there already. Add me on Twitter, StockTwits, Instagram, and Reddit. Hope you're having a green week. Hopefully we finish the week green. And as always, I'll see you on the moon.